everyone, Cinnamon here, and I am back with a new shoe course. Yay, I hear all the cheering. So yes, this is super exciting. We have a topic planned or a course planned here. It's a 4-part series and it will be sewing the Dorel boots for 18-inch dolls. So I'm really excited to give you some details. First, we're gonna kick things off with a look at the pattern itself, the supplies that you're going to need to track down, the different options that are included in the pattern, and then we'll cover the types of options that we're going to show you or demonstrate in the upcoming videos. Then we're going to jump right in and we will sew up the upper portion of that boot, and we'll look at using both eyelets and lacing tabs for 2 different styles. Then we'll continue to move right along with assembling the entire boot and putting that boot onto those pre-cut shoe soles. Having pre-cut shoe soles makes this super easy, so you're going to want to make sure that you have those on hand. And then we'll wrap it all up with a great look at just pulling it all together. What type of outfit are you going to wear with your Dorel boots? Is it snowy? Is it rainy? Exactly how do you want to pull that together? Will you wear your pants over the boots, or can you tuck those pants inside? What kind of accessories will complement those boots, and maybe even how would you package or carry those boots along with you? So I invite you to join us. This is going to be a really fun topic where we just go deep into the world of sewing boots for 18-inch dolls.